Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone 14 5G with mecha design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 92.65% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, and 120 Hz refresh rate. And now, talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 27mm wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 24mm centered punch hole wide-angle front camera with aperture 2.4, video recording. Maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 6.0 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 generations of OS upgrades and up to 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.3 GHz. Single-core Cortex-A720S plus 2.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720S plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A520S, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 5G, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 810 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 12GB, 14GB of extended RAM, and 256GB, 512GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.15 by 75.65 by 7.97 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams, and the color options: Warrior Pink, Storm Titanium, Mecha Silver colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 45-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, 6050 square millimeters vapor chamber bionic cooling system. AI features include AI Snap Mode, AI Eraser, AI Clear Face, summary of audio recordings with AI Smart Loop, and Circle of Search, and IP66, IP68, IP69 dust tight and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme 14 5G has been priced for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 13,900 Thai baht, while 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 15,999 Thai baht. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme 14 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.